Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach the second lesson of Social Studies of Class 3. The name of our second lesson is the Solar System. Our second lesson is the Solar System. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the universe and the solar system. So, first of all, let's start with the universe. As we all know, during the daytime, we can see the sun, and also we can see the moon and the twinkling stars in the sky at night. Let's see what is the universe. The vast open space that we can see above us with the moon, the sun, the stars and planets are called the universe. What is the universe? The universe. The sun, the moon, the stars and the planets together are called the universe. What is the universe? The sun, the moon, the stars and the planets together are called the universe. Just now we have studied about the universe. Now we are going to learn about the solar system. We all have our own families, right? And we all live on the beautiful earth, isn't it? We all live on the earth. Have you ever wondered that the earth also can have a family? Yes, the earth has its own family called the solar system. In our family, who is the head of the family? The father is the head of the family. Here, in the solar family, the sun is the head of the solar system. The sun is the head of the solar system. With the sun, there are 8 more members called planets. With the sun, there are 8 more members called planets. Let's see what is the solar system. The solar system. The sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. What is the solar system? The sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets. The solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets. Now we are going to learn about the head of the solar system. Who is the head of the solar system? The sun. The sun is the head of the solar system. Children, do you know the sun is a star? The sun is a huge star, is a large star, is a very large star. Let's see what is a star. A star is a huge ball of hot gases. What is a star? A star is a huge ball of hot gases. So, the sun is a huge ball of hot gases and fire. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases and fire. Then the sun gives the earth light and heat. The sun gives the earth light and heat. The earth does not have its own light. From where it gets the light? It gets the light from the sun. Then the sun is the nearest star to the earth. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. Then sun appears to be brighter and larger compared to other stars in the sky because that is nearest star to the earth. Now we are going to learn about the planets. In the previous lesson we have already studied about planet. What is a planet? A planet is a heavenly body that moves around the sun. What is a planet? A planet is a heavenly body that moves around the sun. The meaning of heavenly body. Heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies are objects in the sky such as the sun, the moon, planets, etc. The objects in the sky such as the sun, the moon, planets, etc. are called heavenly bodies. Then our earth is a beautiful planet. Our earth is a beautiful planet. Including the earth, there are 8 planets that move around the sun. Including the earth, there are 8 planets that move around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Let's see what is an orbit. The planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. What is an orbit? The planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Let's see what is the meaning of the word orbit. Orbit. Orbit means the curved path followed by objects to move around the sun. Orbit means the curved path followed by the objects. Here the object means the planets to move around the sun. Then the planets are heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. It gets light from the sun. The planets are heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. It gets light from the sun.
The sun is the biggest heavenly body we see in our sky. The sun is actually a star, but it's very, very close to Earth as compared to stars we see at night. So it seems so much bigger than the stars. It is actually the nearest star to Earth, and we call it sun. It is a big ball of gases. It gives us heat and light. We should never look at the sun directly, as it can harm our delicate eyes. Many heavenly bodies revolve around the sun, and they are called planets. Our Earth is one of those planets. Also, some heavenly bodies revolve around the planets, and they are called moons. Sun, planets, and their moons together are called solar system. Let's learn it again. Sun, planets, and their moons together are called solar system. Now let's learn about solar systems. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Let's learn their names in order of their position from the sun. Mercury, which is the first or nearest. Then Venus. Then Earth, our planet on which we live. It is the 3rd planet. Then comes Mars. Then Jupiter. Then Saturn. Then Uranus and Neptune. In the last, which is farthest from the sun. They all revolve around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. So, orbit is a fixed path on which a planet revolves. Each planet has its own orbit. Like Mercury will move only on this orbit. Venus will move only on this orbit. Likewise, all planets move in their fixed paths called orbits. They never move out of their path. Now let's see what are satellites or moons of other planets. Heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites or moons of that planet. Like heavenly body that revolve around the Earth is called moon or the natural satellite of the Earth. Planets and moons do not have their own light. They shine when the light of the sun falls on them. Only the sun and stars have their own light. Planets and moons do not have their own light.